World News Briefing, January 26, 2026. Good morning. This is your daily briefing for Monday, January 26, 2026. Today, the world observes India's 77th Republic Day and Australia Day, but the festive mood is tempered by intensifying trade frictions and a high-stakes meeting in Hong Kong. We bring you the latest on the shifting global order, the AI reality check, and the new tax boundaries in global logistics. Globe showing Europe-Africa world. Sovereignty, tariffs, and celebration. National holidays and geopolitics. India celebrates Republic Day with a massive show of military strength and cultural diversity in New Delhi. However, the celebration comes as New Delhi navigates a complex tariff for oil proposal from Washington. Meanwhile, Australia Day is being marked across the continent, though public debate continues over the date's historical significance. Transatlantic tension. The geopolitical spotlight remains on the Greenland dispute. 8 European nations, including Denmark, France, and Germany, have issued a joint statement condemning U.S. President Trump's threat of a 10% tariff starting February 1. They warn that these punitive measures regarding the proposed sale of Greenland risk a dangerous downward spiral in Western alliances.
Economy and finance. The quest for trust in Hong Kong. Asian Financial Forum, AFF, 2026. The Asian Financial Forum opens today in Hong Kong. The theme for 2026 has shifted from growth to cooperation and trust. Global leaders are addressing the fragmentation of markets caused by ongoing trade disputes. Key discussions center on rebuilding trust between regulators and private capital as interest rate policies remain unsettled. Market sentiment and precious metals. Market confidence remains fragile. While tech stocks have provided a buffer, gold is racing toward the psychological milestone of $5,000 per ounce, gaining 7% in just 1 week. Silver has also smashed records, hitting $101 per ounce, fueled by industrial demand for solar energy and a global flight to safe haven assets amid tariff fears.
Technology. The end of the AI hype cycle? AI reality check. The tech world is digesting the IMF's latest World Economic Outlook, which warns that a repricing of technology expectations is a major downside risk for 2026. After years of explosive hype, companies are now focusing on autonomous decision-making in logistics and manufacturing rather than speculative AI projects. Infrastructure evolution. A new trend is emerging: power-ready logistics. As automation and AI integration become mandatory, the demand for facilities with massive electrical capacity has hit a 3-year high. Companies are no longer just looking for space, they're looking for power, as AI-driven warehouses require significantly more energy than traditional ones.
Logistics. New taxes and smart hubs. U.S. port tax on rerouted cargo. In a major disruption to North American supply chains, the U.S. has begun implementing a port tax on cargo entering via Canada or Mexico to bypass direct U.S. tariffs. This move aims to correct distortions in freight flow but is expected to increase costs for retail giants like Walmart and Amazon, who still rely heavily on trans-shipped Chinese goods. Smart port breakthroughs. In Asia, the port of Tanjung Pelepah has hit a record 14 million TEUs, while the port of Busan is nearing full 5G-based automation. These smart hubs are utilizing AI to reroute shipments in real time to avoid climate-related delays and labor shortages, which remain the top challenges for the 2026 logistics landscape. The global landscape in early 2026 is defined by a shift from unbridled optimism to strategic resilience. As markets look toward Hong Kong and the gold charts, the coming days will be critical for trade stability.